Hey guys, it's Samuel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on multiple slingers. This is what it, multiple slingers, yes. 2 slingers and possibly 3. So, make sure that you know how to do 1 slinger, like this, before you know how to do this double slingers, this double slinger that I'm going to show you. Here's an example of the trick. So right before I get into this, make sure you've watched the gunslinger tutorial, the regular gunslinger tutorial on YouTube. Go find it on a different channel, because I haven't made a regular gunslinger tutorial yet. So, so the first step, hold the ball in your left hand, the Ken in your other, and you're going to let the ball go, pull it up, do a couple slingers and catch the Ken, just like this. You're going to do the 2 slingers and try and catch the Ken. If you can't, that's totally fine. But yeah, you just want to get that down. Once you do it like once or twice, you're going to want to try and eye up the ball and make sure, try and eye it up and bend your knees so that you have more time to spot it up and get it down to spike like that. So yeah, those are a couple examples of the trick. Here's one more example. Alright, so there's an example. Again, just remember, hold the ball with your left hand, do that double slinger, and catch it in your hand. Just focus on the Ken for the first part of the trick, and then bring your attention to the Tama, and try and spike it. Okay? So, this has been my version of multiple gunslinger for 2. Now I'll go over 3. So for 3, again, you're adding an extra slinger. So this is going to be, you're going to need to sling it a lot faster. And practice just going like this, I guess, once you get up to 3. Try and sling it faster. That'll help the momentum. I don't know how to explain this very well, but that'll help the Ken to keep staying on your finger. It'll help it stick. It's kind of like it's sticking to your finger when you're doing slingers. So this motion is going to happen when you sling faster. So yeah, make sure you practice doing it fast, and then you just put that together along with the swing spike, and you'll have it down. Here's an example of 3. There it is. Kind of low, kind of shabby. With practice, you guys can get that too. So, yeah. Hope you guys like this trick. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.